This wallet turned 5 Sol into 17 Sol in only 2 seconds. This is how this wallet made 600k in only 1.5 months of using this method. This method I'm gonna show you over here is something new. It's like something that not like a lot of people are doing right now, but it obviously works because this wallet made like 687k in only 1 month or 1.5 months. So basically this wallet dumps on snipers, like that easy. It dumps on snipers on pump fun. So yeah, basically it makes a coin, makes a new coin in pump fun, jump in with 4 or 5 Sol, and then sell it for profit. Just like this over here, 1.6k profit. Let's check it out. So basically what this wallet does, sell on snipers. Look at this, only 2 seconds. 5 Sol into 17 Sol. You can start this method with 2 Sol, 3 Sol, 4, 5, maybe 6, but not more than 6. Alright, so he just turned 5 Sol into 17 Sol in the matter of 2 seconds. Basically, I come across a bot that does this. So I came across this bot right here. This is the seller bot, the Sol seller bot. This bot sells any token it detects in your wallet, which prevents sniping of your pump on launch. So this bot is made like for devs who launch on pump on, who's like trying to get a balanced launch, like is trying to get a fair launch without these snipers. So yeah, this bot sells any token it detects in your wallet. That's what we need. Like, you can set parameters to wait X amount of seconds before selling. Yeah, that's literally what we need. Like, first of all we gotta like import wallet. Just gonna basically I imported the private key, just like send it to this chat, and then like we see successfully imported wallet. Now it sells in 3 seconds by default. That's why I didn't like change the parameters. So yeah, all you gotta do is like set it as active, like you see, just like that. Status activated. Right now this bot will sell any token he detects on your wallet. So you go on dev with that same wallet on PumpFun. Go ahead and create your new token. Just go with something like from the meta of the day. And yeah, so yeah, this is basically it. This is how this bot is exploiting the like printing money every day. He been like printing like 6 Sol. He's buying with 5, selling with 6.7. Sometimes it doesn't work, but you're not like losing anything. If you're making like 1 Sol, that's like enough for upcoming memes with the fees. So yeah, the link to the bot will be on my description below. It's a free bot, but it like consumes some small fees. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.